What are the competencies required to act as an auditor in India? So first we'll go through the competencies. Chartered Accountant Act of India 1949. So in India, chartered accountants are competent persons to act as or act in the capacity of auditors. A chartered accountant is a person who has secured admission to Institute of Chartered Accountants of India according to the said Act, Chartered Accountants Act of 1949. The membership is granted after successful completion of practical training and exams conducted by the institute, and the member updates their competencies by taking part in continuous education programs of the institute. So that is basically the Chartered Accountants Act of India 1949. Now let us see what is a division of work in a CA firm. So chartered accountants form the CA firm, and what exactly is the division of work in a CA firm? So for the best operation, a chartered accountant's office is well organized and has the following personnels, namely managers, senior clerks, and junior clerks. On audit duties, the senior clerk and junior clerk must work well with the auditor in such a manner that there exists no duplication of work and the most effective work happens as a result of these engagements. So everybody should work together on audit duties, senior clerk as well as junior clerk. The senior clerk reports to a senior clerk and the senior clerk should report to the manager. So basically a junior clerk reports to a senior clerk and the senior clerk should report to the manager. Managers are responsible to partners to carry out the assigned tasks and work happens according to the audit program. Managers normally monitor the work assigned to assistants and reviews and approves working papers and draft reports, which is by the senior clerk, which is already passed by the senior clerk. They also take part in discussing the report with the client and discussing the results of the audit. Senior clerk extracts information from the minute books, checks outstanding expenses, provides for depreciation on different assets, does doubtful debts, checks cash book, and does verification and valuation of assets and liabilities. Junior clerk do vouch the entries with the help of documentary evidences, check postings to ledger accounts, and check balances in accounts. Next, we'll take a look at what is audit program. An audit program works in connection to a particular audit and is a written scheme of exact details of work to be undertaken and done by the staff of the auditor as well as the auditor himself. It is planned process of examination and procedure of review engagements wherever it is applicable. It's a detailed auditing plan. The audit program is actually a detailed auditing plan and specifies verification procedures of every financial statement along with its items within the given period of time. So that is audit program. And finally, we'll see what is audit notebook. Audit notebook is a separate book or diary kept by the auditor for each individual audit for the purpose of making notes on important matters which relates to an audit. This note helps the auditor to ascertain whether all the work done is nothing other than important work and none of the important work is omitted. It also serves as an evidence in a course of law where situations arise for defending cases against the auditor for negligence of duties, omission of details, etc. So this completes the competencies which are required in an audit firm run by the chartered accountants, and they are the persons who actually does auditing of firms according to Chartered Accountants Act of 1949. Thank you.